So Rudi, could you tell me about the number 3?
Number 3 in numerology is related to planet Jupiter, and Jupiter in Hindi is called Guru. Very heavy. In the planetary system, the planet Jupiter contains about 98% of all the mass of all the planets put together. Our Earth has only one moon, and Guru has about 16 moons circling around it. A very, very heavy planet. It gives more energy out than it gets from the sun. So these characteristics you will also find in number 3 people, in having helpers as a psychic or destiny or name number.
So psychic number, you talk about that?
But as a psychic number, you will find it in the conscious personality. Number 3 people are like Jupiter. They are very constructive, they are very organizing, and they are lovers of art. They respect tradition, although they can be quite loose. They can find new ways to express old values.
And how is that different from number 1?
Number 1 can become stubborn, and number 3 doesn't have that. So number 3 persons can be very inventive in finding new forms for old tradition and still respecting that old tradition, keeping the core of the tradition intact. Number 3 people are very creative, artistic. They can be very good painters, sculptors, cooks, anything which needs imaginative thinking and creative thinking.
Then how does a destiny number differ for a person who has number 3 as a destiny number?
Number 3 as a destiny number will be seen as a number 3 by the people around, be accepted much more easily as an organizer, and his creative abilities will be appreciated much more easily.
Okay, so what are the number 3 friendly signs to work with?
The friendly numbers for number 3, which are 1, 2, and 9, they signify working together of these energies in a friendly way, in a non-aggressive, cooperative way. These numbers are actually not stimulating, but they are calming.
So enemy number for number 3 is what?
Enemy numbers of number 3 are numbers in which you can expect some dynamic energy there. So 3 and 5 are both energetic, and 5 is restless. So 5 can make 3 quite restless, too much moving.
Number 6?
Number 6 is an art lover like number 3. So they can be very good understanding each other. But if they have to work together, there's a problem, because number 6 is by nature slow, and number 3 is by nature very fast. So to work with number 6, number 3 will have to become very patient. And sometimes he will not be patient and explode. And that will send number 6 into a state of closing. So it can give quite misunderstandings between each other.
Okay, so like the other numbers, I'm sure 3 has a day allocated.
The day of the week for number 3 is Thursday. And it is good if you want to work with numerology to do something with, like, wear the color of that planet on that day. And there are many rituals in Hindu religion which show the connection of number 3 with Thursday, also with banana plants, and if you look at rituals that ladies do for their husbands and things like that.
So there's a color also, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Number 3 is connected to Jupiter and the color of orange-yellow.
So karmic lesson 3, how does that work?
The karmic lesson for number 3 people is to serve others, selfless service. They have a tendency to sometimes become ego-driven, and giving service, having selfless service to others is a blessing that will help them grow spiritually.
Thank you, Rudi, so much for this. Look forward to seeing you in the next episode.
You're very welcome. Hope to see you later again.